Hello guys, I'm glad to see you. Today I'm gonna show you how to add developer mode free for Figma. Okay, if we click on dev mode, we can see this upgrade to work in dev mode, upgrade to professional. But I don't have money and I wanna do it free. Click on back to design mode. We need to install plugins for Figma. Okay, this is Figma apps. Click main menu, plugins, manage plugins. Click search all plugins and print, inspect, style. Click on run, loading inspect styles. Okay guys, how to use this plugin? First click on plugins, inspect, find from there, click on code, H1 like this, and we can see this with hey background, or click on this font wave, font family, this, all this. Okay guys, this is dev mode Figma for free. Thank you for the watch, have a nice day.